Resteverwertung means leftover utilization, and in German households it applies to far more than food. Nothing gets discarded while it still has use left in it. Leftovers get repurposed into the next meal. Clothing gets mended rather than replaced. Furniture gets refinished rather than discarded when a move happens. The USDA estimates American households waste roughly 30% of the food they purchase, worth over $2,000 a year per household thrown directly in the trash. Add clothing, furniture, and electronics discarded while still functional, and the average American household is likely discarding several $1,000s a year in items that still had usable life remaining. A household that adopts Resteverwertung seriously, planning meals around what's already in the fridge, mending instead of replacing, refinishing instead of discarding, typically cuts this waste by half or more. On a household spending $7,000 a year in categories prone to waste, that's $1,500 to $2,500 recovered annually simply by using what you already have before buying its replacement. The biggest savings often come from changing everyday decisions. Resteverwertung is not about being cheap. It is about respecting the value of what you already own. Every dollar saved by avoiding unnecessary replacement is a dollar that can be invested or kept. Using what you already have is one of the simplest ways to create financial breathing room.